Hi, I'm JJ Bock, Director of Operations for Rubber Inc. Welcome to another episode of In Stock with Bock. Today we're reviewing the Counteract Wheel Pro Stud and Hub Cleaner. This tool offers a new design with an efficient and superior solution. Let's see how it works. This tool features a snap tech design with interchangeable brushes for specific tasks, giving you an extended tool life and ensuring a thorough cleaning of both the studs and hub surfaces. It's quick and easy to change brush type. The vented tool body allows rust and debris to disperse while cleaning to avoid tool lock, which can break or snap the tool body. A clean surface ensures proper torque and tension, enhancing wheel performance and safety. I highly recommend this tool to get the job done. The Counteract Wheel Pro Stud and Hub Cleaner is essential for maintaining your vehicle's wheel integrity. Equip your toolkit with one today at rubber-inc.com. Since there are a number of factors that determine how much clamping force is generated, technicians should always follow the RIST procedure developed by TIA or Tire Industry Association.